kind of figured out what they were up to a little bit, but they were like saying they were like running down the profile of a Capitol stormer, and I didn't get that far into the article, but all they were doing is making him seem sweet. They were like, well, it's like very into like, Declaration of Independence, 1776, kind of like when people did it for, but like this version sucks. It's not the good one. And I just like, I think something popped up on my phone and my attention wandered. But I'm like, damn, you're not doing a good job on selling me away from. You're just telling them these. You're
How
telling
much
me
these guys rock.
Basically, they were trying to be like.